Welcome to the Rotary Club of Valenzuela East's 41st Handover and Induction Ceremonies.
Ngayon, Rotary Year, dala natin ang tema ng United for Good. Alala lang ito na tunay na lakas ng Rotary ay nasa pagkakaisa, sa pagtutulungan, pagmamalasakit at sabayang paggawa ng kabutihan para sa ating komunidad.
I formally hand over the symbols of authority and responsibility, the bell and the gavel, to our new President, Marian Espinosa.
Let us continue to be the light and hope to those who need us most. May we serve not only with our hands, but with all our hearts. Thank you, and let us look forward to a year of service, fellowship, and make a lasting change. Let us have amazing Rotary Year, a hope creating through the magic of Rotary that unite goodness through service. Maraming salamat po.
By the power vested in me by the Rotary Club of Valenzuela East, I call this 41st Club Induction and Handover Ceremony to order.
Rotary Club of Valenzuela East.
Good na good! Unite for good!
Yay!
May our efforts bring hope to the needy, peace to our community, and inspiration to all who witness our work. We ask you, Lord, to keep our fellowship strong, our vision clear, and our hearts generous.
It has been my greatest honor and privilege to serve as your 40th and first woman president. Thank you, and I will always carry the magic of Rotary in my heart. Mabuhay ang Rotary Club of Valenzuela East. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat.
Unite for good.
Unite for good.
That I impose all these obligations
I will post all the
upon myself
myself
without mental reservation
without mental reservation
nor purpose of evasion.
nor purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations. So as we move forward together, let us continue to be that interchange. RC Valenzuela is a place of connection, service, and transformation. Maraming salamat po at magandang gabi sa inyong lahat.